Welcome back. In this video, we are going to show the profile image. So let's go to Visual Studio Code, and inside the profile folder, we have this index.tsx. So after this h1 tag here, I'm going to take a condition that if user question mark dot profile underscore pic, if this is true, if this is available, then we need to show the image tag. Okay, we need to take an image tag src user question mark dot profile picture alt tag, and let's add the class name as with 32, height 32, rounded full, margin top 5. Let me just save this and let's go to the browser. Okay, so as you can see, we are not able to see the profile picture. So open the image, let's inspect, and let's okay, we are getting the URL, but let me just open the image. So here it says status code 404, error bucket not found. Okay, so maybe we have kept this security of the bucket, that's why. So let's go here, and if I go to storage, we have this bucket. Okay, and let's click on this basic, and if I click here on edit bucket settings. So what I'm going to do is, as of now, I'm just making this as public bucket. Okay, so making public bucket, this will make all object in a bucket publicly accessible. Okay, so as there is some issue with the Supabase, so let's keep this as public bucket. Okay, save this. So now it is publicly available. So now let's check again. Let me just refresh it. So now as you can see, we are getting this image, and now let's go back here, add some class names. So rounded full, I'm going to take it as rounded LG object contain. Okay, and padding I'm keeping at 2, keeping as 2, border and border gray, that is going to be 400. Save this, go back. Okay, so let's remove this width. Oh, save this and go back. Okay, so this look much better. And what else? So now one thing more we need, every time if I upload the image, I need to refresh to check. Okay, for that we need to update the state. Okay, so here I'm going to take user set user. Okay, and if I scroll down, sorry, not here, let me just remove this. Let's go to update profile model. Here we need to make this as set user. Okay, and if I scroll down, so here, as you can see, it is giving me the set user. Okay, this is giving some issue. So let's take a const new user object equals to, sorry, that is going to be any equals to, and here I'm going to give dot user name, that is going to be new name, or else user dot name, and profile picture, that is going to be new profile picture. And in set user, I'm going to say pass this new user object inside set timeout. Okay, so let's do it here. Okay, and now let's check in the browser. So let me just refresh it and update. Here I'm going to say Angular University, and okay, I don't have any image, so let's take this avatar. Okay, update profile. So as you can see now, the name has changed to Angular University, and we are getting the profile picture as well. Okay, so we don't need to refresh it again and again. So this is how we can display the profile picture, and we can update the name here. Okay, and we can even update the profile picture. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.